Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Pomni on Brookhaven. So it's actually pretty simple. I'll just go here. So there's lighting and no one, kind of. So go to the avatar editor and you're just going to search up Pomni and it's just going to automatically show up. You can choose whichever face you want. I like to use this one. You're also going to just remove everything from your avatar here, and you're going to change the color of your skin tone to match Pomni's. Then under the outfit, you're also going to search up Pomni, and you're just going to select the outfit that you want. Just going to search for girl shirts and girl pants. And that is how you can create Pomni and do the Pomni roleplay on Brookhaven. Super simple actually, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.